Hey, it's Mark with some progress on understanding the mini puzzle, which you get by setting aside half of Melinda's puzzle and defining the following rules. Twist moves plus stack moves are legal. Scramble and solve. What I spent yesterday doing was coming up with a way to emulate this puzzle inside the MC4D 2 to the 4 hypercube with a whole bunch of macros. What I've done is use the macros to create a restricted sub-puzzle inside the 2 to the 4 hypercube puzzle that exactly emulates the mini puzzle. You can see that there are the 6 twist moves plus a gyro rotation. I'll explain that in a different video, but here's what the gyro rotation looks like on the physical cube, on the physical mini puzzle. M, S, R2, F2, R2, Y prime, Z2. And I will click the gyro button on the virtual puzzle to show you what that is. Show you what the equivalent is on this emulated puzzle. And what the gyro did was move the purple corners onto the up-down face, and it moved the down face onto the upper purple corner, the upper corners, and the up face onto the lower corners. And the equivalent position here. I'll explain how to look at this. We need to imagine that these pieces in the middle are sort of poking out the corners. So that, for instance, these yellow pieces poking out are shown here in the puzzle. So we have right, left, front, back, which do not change in this gyro. It's still green front, red right. We have the up down. I should mention that we treat pink and purple as the same color in this little emulated mini puzzle on MC4D, and you'll see that I've made the in-out axis skinny because the in and out pieces always move in tandem on this. You'll note that the R moves the in and out in tandem. So do all the other twists. And since we're looking at the result of the gyro rotation, you can see that those also have not split up different colors, assuming that we're treating purple pink as the identical color. So we have 6 operations that define this sub-puzzle of the 2 to the 4, and a way of looking at this sub-puzzle that corresponds to the physical mini puzzle. I'll apply that gyro again to get back to the starting state, and apply it again over here to get back to the starting state. Let's apply this scramble to the mini puzzle and to the virtual emulated puzzle simultaneously. R2, U, R, U. I will, for this sequence, show you the entire part from the S through to finishing the E. The part inside the bracket is junctions out, which means we can't see it displayed properly on our virtual puzzle. I'll explain how that works a little farther into the sequence. So we have S, D, F, E. And over on the virtual puzzle, the part in the brackets, we need to wrap inside S and S primes in order to keep our sequences right. So we have a D wrapped in S's, an F wrapped in S's, and then an SE to finish off the sequence. So now we have blue, green, orange, blue, blue, green, orange, blue, etc. Red, red, white, purple, red, red, white, purple. Let's keep going. L, B, R, L, B, R, L, B, R. Inside, wrapped in between this S and the M are going to be some undisplayable states. So for instance, when I go S, U, it's going to be hard to see the correspondence between these states, but I'm going to do a U wrapped in S and S prime. Now this is naturally a single S away from the state we desire. Now why is it that, oh no, that's right. These are the correct states. So it was an S away. So let's finish this sequence. R prime, U, M. R prime wrapped in S's. U wrapped in S's. And an SM. Correcto. D. Wait, that's not a B2. B2. D. B. B. So now we've applied this entire scramble, including some restacking moves to the mini puzzle, and we've also applied it to the emulated puzzle. So now our challenge is to solve the mini puzzle, or alternatively, to solve the emulated puzzle just by clicking these buttons. No doing moves over here. You might do a move that's legal in the virtual 2 to the 4, but illegal in the in this subset puzzle. There's our correspondence, just in case it helps you figure out what this puzzle is in terms of how it is a subset of the 2 to the 4 hypercube puzzle. I'll stop here.